Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best pool lounge chairs that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have Best Choice Products Pool Lounge Chair. Being said as a revolution for pool services thanks to the innovative, intelligent, and modern design. These Best Choice Products adjustable zero-gravity pool lounge chairs are worthy of becoming the best pool lounge chairs on the market. Being made with mesh materials that have a weight capacity of up to 250 pounds and UV-resistant fabric combined with 32.5, 61 inches, L, x 25, W, by 33.5, 44, H, size when open and 38 inches by 25 inches by 6 inches when folded. These pool lounge chairs are very durable, easy to adjust and store. Besides, various colors available with 2 cup holders, a phone holder, and a tablet holder design in different colors will provide you with maximum comfort, convenience, and relaxation when using. Moving on at number 4, we have Rio Portable Folding Backpack Pool Lounge Chair. One of the reasons why the Rio Portable Folding Backpack Pool Lounge Chair is highly appreciated by users is its unlimited reclining positions, the full reclining, and the layback feature that will enable you to feel comfortable and relaxing. Moreover, this product also provides you with an adjustable backpack that reduces the inconvenience of traveling and storage. As a result, it is an excellent idea for you to bring this lounge chair to the beaches. Besides, the pool lounge chair is very lightweight, only 9 pounds, and is made from weather-resistant steel that is durable with beautiful bright color. At number 3, we have Keter set of 2 Pacific Sunshaze pool chairs. Keter Pacific Sun. This wicker resembling set of 2 Keter Pacific Sun lounge pool chairs comes with a sturdy construction, attractive appearance, and durable, UV protection rugged polypropylene resin material. Therefore, they are perfect for sunbathing without fear of weather damage. This set also features 4 positions with the adjustable backrest, which allows your body to relaxingly lay flat, recline or sit upright, whereby you could achieve your best comfortable position. Besides, these chairs require no assembly, and they are super easy to fold up for storage. There are also 3 color options for you to choose, including charcoal gray, harvest brown, or oasis white. Shaze pool chairs. At number 2, we have Best Choice Products Curved Pool Lounge Chair. If you're searching for a pool lounge chair integrated with the unique design to have a more exciting lounging experience, you definitely need to try this Best Choice Products Outdoor Hanging Curved Pool Lounge Chair. This product features the UV-resistant canopy to provide shade above your head and a super comfortable chaise seat with a tempered steel cantilever. You will be lounging while hovering above the ground. Besides, this hanging chair is also made of high-quality materials to ensure durability over time. The power-coated steel frame with the water-resistant polyester cushions and removable headrest. With the weight-limited capacity is up to 265 pounds. This product promises to provide the most exclusive lounging experience for a wide range of users. And finally at number 1, Sportbrella 3-Position Recliner Pool Lounge Chair. You will get a lot of bang for your buck if you intend to buy this Sportbrella 3-Position Recliner Pool Lounge Chair because its price is too low for the comfort it brings. As the product's name, it is hard to believe the numbers of useful accessories that come along in one invention. This lounge chair provides you 3 options. You can sit up, lay back, or sit and put your feet comfortably thanks to the detachable footrest. Furthermore, the lightweight of the frame, the large storage pocket, the full coverage umbrella, and the simplification of transportation and storage also become plus points of this pool lounge chair. Thank you for watching guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helped for you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.